we will draw front view, top view and right side view of the object shown here. It looks like steps there, and let's take the front view direction in this direction. So in the front view we'll be able to see this surface in the form of L, and then this rectangular surface and this rectangular surface. So we start with the front view. Enter. $125, enter. Go up by 20 millimeters, to the left by 125 minus 45, that is 80 millimeters. Okay, go up by 20 plus 20, that is 40 millimeters, and back to starting point. Okay, and then that is this surface we have drawn. Above this surface we have this rectangular, and above that we have this rectangle. So line from here, go up by 20 millimeters, and to the left 80 millimeters, and also for the other rectangle we'll go up by another 20 millimeters and then 80 millimeters on this side, and close that. Okay, so that completes the front view. Now to draw the top view. In the top view we are able to see this surface in the form of an inverted L, and then this surface as a rectangle of 30 by 30, this one, and then and this surface. Okay, so go back to this, take alignment from here. It will be a rectangle of again 125 by 90, enter. Line, $125, and close the rectangle. Now from here repeat line. From here we have to measure 45, enter. Go up by 60 millimeters, and then to the right by 80 millimeters. Okay. And then in between here you draw one horizontal line from the midpoint of this. Draw this. Midpoint of this. Okay, that is top view, and this is front view. Now we have to draw the right side view here. Right side view, in the right side view we'll be able to see this surface and this surface. Okay, so line, take horizontal alignment here. Okay, and then go up by 60 millimeters and then 90 millimeters here, down by 60 millimeters to the left by 90 millimeters, and then from here measure 30 millimeters, come down by 20, 30, and like this. Okay, so line from here, this distance is 30 millimeters, come down by 20 millimeters, to the left by 30 millimeters, and come down by 20 millimeters, and to the left by 30 millimeters. Okay, so that completes the side view. Now we have to write dimensions for this. So annotate horizontal dim linear, dimension linear, right click here, give this 90 millimeters and this 125 millimeters. Between this and this 20 millimeters, between this and this 20 millimeters, between this and this 20 millimeters, and this 30, millimeters. Any other dimension missing? 30, 30. Height we have not given. Dim linear height, you can give the height here like this. Total height we have given, width we have given. So that completes the drawing. If you want to make it a little thicker, select one line, properties, line type, line weight, can make it somewhere 0.5. Okay, escape, close this, apply line weight, match properties, of this to this, 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 and to this, to this. This, this, so that the dimension lines are different from the actual lines. Enter. So that completes the drawing. There is one more dimension we have to write, that is that width of the top surface 45 millimeters. So dim linear, this diameter 45, this dimension 45 millimeters, and then one line we have to make thick. So recent inverse match properties of this to this one. Enter. That completes the drawing.